Greetings from Suicide Prevention with the Atlanta VA healthcare system. Caregivers play an important role in the veteran's life, sometimes a life-saving one. Whether you're a spouse, another family member, or a friend of a veteran, you may be the first to recognize changes in mood and behavior, such as expressions of anger or emotional pain or increasing use of alcohol or drugs. No matter your relationship with the veteran, as a caregiver, you serve a vital role in supporting the veteran and preventing a crisis. Here are some tips that can help. Learn about risk factors and how to recognize suicide warning signs. Watch the SAVE training video provided by PsychArmor, which is designed to enable anyone to demonstrate care, support, and compassion when talking with a veteran who could be at risk for suicide. Attend medical appointments with the veteran. Talk with your doctor to better understand their care needs and advocate to be involved in their care. Encourage the veteran to pursue mental health treatment, including treatment of substance use disorders, and in this and other ways, help reduce the stigma that they may associate with seeking treatment. Support adherence to medication to treatment plans. Participate in the veteran's safety planning and limit access to lethal means. Be familiar with the veteran's safety plans so that you can reinforce coping strategies. Get involved in community-based suicide prevention efforts and support the veteran's sense of connectedness in the community. Veteran risk factors include transition-related challenges, post-traumatic stress disorder, traumatic brain injury, and experience with firearms. Veteran protective factors include resilience, a sense of belonging and purpose through military service, access to VA mental health care, and care for substance use disorders, and positive coping skills learned in high-stress settings. To prevent veteran suicide, we must all work together to increase protective factors while decreasing risk factors in communities across this nation. Remember, caregivers can be battle buddies too.